Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. Looking at euro dollar and GBP USD, as with quite a few high impact news, we see that both of these instruments getting very volatile. As this is the weekend, let's see where we can find trading opportunity. As we have seen that both of these instruments previously had a very strong breakout. So starting with first of all euro dollar, before we look at lower time frame, let's quickly look at the higher time frame, looking at the monthly to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly we can see that euro dollar is a long term bullish market. If we look at this with this monthly impulse, euro dollar has created this huge bullish candle followed by this month. So you have seen that initially the price has come down for a deeper pullback, and we saw that again euro dollar had a bounce from the monthly perspective, and currently the price again coming down for a deeper pullback, and we can expect for the price to come back down to retest this level before moving to the upside. Now if we look at the weekly time frame, this is the weekly candle where we saw that euro dollar has made this movement followed by a narrow correction, another impulse followed by deeper correction, and we see that this week also euro dollar is in a bullish momentum. And what we can expect on euro dollar, for the price to drop for a deeper pullback and then to continue to rise to create a new higher high. So from the long term it is bullish, from the short term we can expect some downturn momentum. Now if we look at the daily chart on euro dollar, we have seen that after this multiple liquidity grab, euro dollar has made a huge bullish momentum from the daily. Now we can expect for the price to come down for a deeper pullback. Now if we take our Fibonacci for this potential Fibonacci retracement, we see that euro dollar is approaching, which is the minimum Fibonacci level, 38.2%, and we can expect for the price to come down to retest and before bouncing this from this level. Now looking at the intraday perspective, this is where we see back to back two levels. With this narrow doji, the price has formed a high liquidity zone here, and as the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, we can expect euro dollar to drop, to break the low, or even to retest this narrow red candle, which is a high liquidity zone. And I think that euro dollar may try to return back again, as this level is where high liquidity zone, and from this zone we can expect euro dollar to have an upside bias, and this is where I'll be waiting for euro dollar to give us suitable entry opportunity. As soon as we will find suitable entry, we'll look for going long on euro dollar with a high probability trade setup. Now let's look at GBP USD again with the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly we can see that there is a monthly bullish engulfer followed by a very narrow monthly candle, which is in fact also bullish price action. And with that bullish price action, we can expect for the monthly for GBPUSD to come down for a deeper pullback and then to remain bullish towards its long term uptrending direction. Now if we look at the weekly perspective, where we see that in this uptrending market structure, GBPUSD this week also has formed a bullish engulfer, has crossed the low, crossed the high, formed a full body green candle. As this is the last day of trading week, we could see a deeper pullback and then continuation to the upside again with the upcoming week later. Now if we look at the daily, where back to back 3 days of liquidity grab in that zone has given a very strong momentum on GBPUSD. And as you can see, GBPUSD looks a bit stronger than euro dollar. And what I think that now the price, we can expect for the price to come down for a deeper pullback and then to continue to rise to the upside. If we look at the intraday perspective on GBP USD, where we can see that there is a bullish engulfer here as well with this narrower doji, and we can expect for the price to drop deeper. We will be waiting for this candle close, And with that candle close, we can expect GBPUSD to give us another entry opportunity for this potential move to the upside. As you can see, GBPUSD looks a bit stronger than euro dollar, so it may not drop that much further, is as there is a strong bullish momentum. Instead, we could see a bit more deeper pullback. We'll wait for the candle close. Now, if we see enough confirmation according to the rules of our strategies, we'll look for going long on GBP USD with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you enjoy this analysis, smash the like button now, and also uh, subscribe to the channel for more content like that. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.